Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your WeBull investment account. And more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you add a beneficiary to your WeBull investment account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add a beneficiary into your WeBull investment account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. When you're doing estate planning, sometimes your attorney is going to ask you to add a beneficiary into your WeBull account to help avoid additional paperwork. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your WeBull dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my WeBull account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to add a beneficiary, first on the top right, you're going to click on your profile icon. Once you do that, go ahead and click on My Account. Once you click there, you're going to see these options here on the left, and you want to click on this one called My Account. Right? Once you do that, you're going to see some information about your trading account. But up here on the top right, you're going to see this blue button here called Manage My Account. Go ahead and click on. All right, once you do that, you're going to see this menu, and you want to look here for beneficiary information. Off to the right, click on the blue View Details button. Okay, here is where you can go ahead and add a beneficiary. So you can add a primary beneficiary and then a contingent beneficiary. You can actually add up to 6, and then you can divvy up the percentage as well. So to add a beneficiary, go ahead and click on Add Primary Beneficiary. Once you do that, you can go ahead and enter in their name, date of birth, tax ID number, their address, mobile phone number, their relationship, and share percentage. So I'm going to go ahead and enter this information in off screen. Okay, so once you've added in their information, you can go ahead and click here and add another beneficiary, or you can click right here and add a contingent if you wish to do so. If not, go ahead and click right here on Next. Okay, I tried to continue, although it's requiring me to go ahead and add their date of birth, social security or tax ID number, their address and phone number. Otherwise, it's not going to let you go through. So I'm going to have to get on the phone and get their social in order to add them here. But there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add a beneficiary into your WeBull account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.